Hello everyone, welcome to Coohom Architect. In this tutorial, we will make a house like this. And we will use these two images for tracing. Click on Import Files and choose Trace Images to upload floor plan. Make sure the number of floor matches the images. Set the scale for every image. When imported into Coohom Architect, the images will be scaled to an appropriate ratio. Okay, let's draw floor plan layout by using wall. We could change the wall thickness in the property panel. Make sure all the walls are connected. Switch to second floor here. Set the reference display range to ref, lower, so that we can see the layout of lower floor. Unlock the image. Move it to align with the newly drawn first floor layout. Then lock the image again. Draw the second floor plan by tracing image and snapping lower floor layout. Let's speed up a bit for this part. There are many patios on the second floor, and we can draw the slab directly. We can scale the side view to view the 3D effect simultaneously. Go to 3D to see how the result looks like. Return to 2D and continue to trace. We need two columns here. Just place them on the canvas. Then, change the size according to the image. Use wall to draw the second floor terrace directly. Switch the walls from high to low in the property panel. Press and hold the Shift key allows you to select multiple objects. We can manually split walls when necessary. Adjust the edge of slab and wall here. Then we can add roof now. Hover over the roof button and select Manual Roof in the drop-down menu. Enter the required offset value at here, so that the roof can overhang as needed. Outline the edge of the roof by following the wall. When lines enclose a surface, right-click the mouse, then select it. And set the roof type to hip roof in the Roof Settings panel. We can preview the 3D effect from the side view. Adjust the roof edge lines as needed. After done it, let's go ahead and draw the railings. Choose the railing style and then select the target slab. We also need to sketch out the path for the railing. If you are not satisfied with the railing style, select it, and then click on the Replace button on Select menu to change style. Next, we can place doors and windows. Click on More Door. Select the garage door we want. Place it on the wall. Then adjust the size. We can also switch to D to place doors and windows, which makes it easier for us to center them. Click on More Window. During placement, we can modify some parameters of the models. After placement, there will be more adjustable parameters available. It always takes a lot of time for us to select doors and windows. Let's speed up this part. It is efficient to switch 3D and 2D through the button in Select menu. Next, let's draw the stairs. Turn on this button switch to the interior view. Click on Stairs and choose the U-shape one we need. Place it on the canvas intuitively. Turn off the Flip button and switch to D for more detailed operations. Drag the control points to adjust the size of the stairs. Switch to the upper floor. We have to make a floor opening for the stairs. Click on Hole and select a floor to draw the hole path. We could see the hole is already done. The next part of this model is Materialization. Go to Material, choose Exterior Wall Stone category. Select Imitation Stone Paint J020 and put it on the exterior wall. Choose All on the pop-up panel in the upper right corner. We could furnish the exterior facade by one click. Go to Culture Stone category. And apply Culture Stone 032 on parts of facade like this. Apply Granite 003 to the terrace on the second floor. Make sure all the surfaces are covered. Go to Timber category. Apply NO3 Yellow Cherry on parts of facade. Apply a metallic finish to the columns and beams. Almost forgot to add the eaves. Let's get to the Decorate part. Choose a eave style and then select a roof to place it. Get back to Material part. Then, use the Material brush to apply the same metallic finish to it. In the Build part, we could select the room name and change it in the Property panel. If there isn't a room name you want, scroll to the bottom of the list and you can directly enter the room name. We can move on to the interior part right now. The interior design part is quite simple. Just click and drag the furniture we need to the canvas. You can select just one room in the top right corner, which makes it more convenient for us to do the interior design for a single room. Return to exterior design by clicking the upper left corner. Turn on this button switch to the interior view. Don't forget to add railings to the interior as well. Adjust the position of the stairs. Then go to interior part. When doing interior design, you might need to switch back and forth like this. In interior design, we switch floors here, which is a different location compared to exterior design. Feel free to decorate the interior with your own creative flair. Return to the exterior part. Adding some plants and car to the house will make the entire design more vibrant. If you made it here, congratulations! Switch to the material mode, we can preview more realistic colors. Let's move on to the final part, rendering. Click Render Architectural. Choose the first scene of the rendering environment. Determine the best perspective for rendering. Check resolution here. Turn on the 2-point option. And we can have our first rendering. Switch to interior rendering. Similarly, choose the appropriate rendering perspective. Then, click on Generate. Let's take a look at the renderings. This concludes all the content for this tutorial. Enjoy your exploration journey of Coohom Architect. If you have any problem about Coohom Architect, please contact us or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.